Hello, everyone. My name is Eve. Welcome to English Global Fluency. Today, I will show you my daily routine. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. The alarm clock rings. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. Then, I'd get out of bed. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face. I look in the mirror. Now I feel fresh and ready for the day. Next, I take a shower. Warm water helps me feel relaxed. After my shower, I dry my hair. Now I am cream. Then I get dressed. Today, I wear my navy blazer and white blouse. I take my tablet and notebook. Now I am ready to leave. Breakfast is my favorite meal. Today, I eat toast, eggs, and fresh fruit. I drink a glass of orange juice. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I go to work. I enjoy walking in the fresh morning air. I always arrive on time. I am an English teacher. I teach students every day. We learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking. I love helping people learn English. At noon, I eat lunch. After lunch, I read a book for a few minutes. Reading helps me learn new words. In the evening, I go home. I cook dinner. Then, I relax and watch an English video. Before I sleep, I'd brush my teeth again. I read a book for a few minutes. Then, I turn off the light. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Good night. Thank you for learning with me today. What time do you wake up? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!